No matter what the country or what the language, every language has tense. In Bengali we call it kal, shomoy. Let us make some sentences today to understand tense. Joseph is making a tool. Joseph is making a tool. That means it is happening right now. He showed them all his picture. Showed them. So that is something that happened in the past. He will be rowing a boat someday. That must be in the future. The men had walked between walls. Had walked. So that is in the distant past. I will have been wandering in that road. So that is a distant future. Now, when we talk of tenses in English language, we actually talk about three kinds that are again subdivided. Tense, as you can see here, in Bengali is called kal, and the function of tense is to point out the time of an action, when an action is done. That is pointed out by tense. Three kinds of tenses. When we talk of a time that has gone away, it is called the past tense. Now, for the present time, we called it the present tense. And time that is yet to come is called the future. Now, if you look at the tenses, you will see that every kind is again, divided into four subdivisions. Simple past or past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Similar manner, present is divided into simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous. Future, simple future or future indefinite as said. Future continuous, future perfect continuous. Now, in today's class, we are going to learn exactly how to frame sentences in tenses. It will help you both ways, not just making sentences, but to understand which sentence is in which tense. To learn that, I'm going to pick up a very, very simple, sentence like, let's use a different ink. I ate an apple. As you can see, this is in the past tense. Okay. First, we do the past tense. Now, our sentence is I, subject, ate. A simple verb in a simple past tense. I ate an apple. That is how a simple past tense is made. Let's go to past continuous. I remains I. Past continuous करने के लिए हमें एक बी वर्ब चाहिए. बी वर्ब is what? बी वर्ब काके बोले? Is, am, are, was, were. Now this is past tense and subject is I. I এর সাথে কোনটা মিলছে past tense? I was eating an apple. Why eating? Because this is continuous tense. Continuous tense is what? Continuous tense means that a work is going on. কোনো কাজ করা চলছে এটা বোঝাতে হবে. So there is an extra be verb. There is verb plus ing for continuous tense, past tense. Now, past perfect. For past perfect, after I will have to use have, has or had. Perfect tense এর জন্য use করতেই হবে. Now, since this is past tense, I'll use had. Now, for eat, what do we use? For perfect tense, let us look. There are three forms of verbs. Every time you will see go, went, gone, see, saw, seen, make, made, made, draw, drew, drawn, eat, ate, eaten. You will always find three forms in main verbs. For perfect tense, you will have to use the past participle always. So past perfect, I had eaten an apple. Okay, so do you understand কিভাবে করলাম past perfect? Extra had बिठाना है और फिर verb का past participle. I had eaten an apple. Past perfect continuous. I, now perfect, so had, continuous, so eating, and to make both bonded you have to give a been extra. I had been eating an apple. You understand that? Why did I do it? Once more. Perfected jonno had continuous ing, and to make those two go together I have added an extra been. So I had been eating an apple. That is the past perfect continuous. Similarly, let's go to present tense. In past tense we had seen I ate an apple. That is simple. So in present it will be I eat an apple. Why? Eat হচ্ছে present tense. Now present continuous, I am eating an apple. Why? Because this is continuous tense. একটা be verb লাগবে আর verb plus পাশে ing. So I am eating an apple. I am eating an apple right now. It is talking of the present time, right? Present perfect. I, after that I have to put what I had said, that have, has or had. Present tense, so have or has. I এর সাথে কোনটা যায়? I के साथ कौन सा जाएगा? Have. I have. And we have decided verb का हमेशा past participle होगा. So I have eaten an apple. Okay. Now for perfect continuous, let us see. I perfect के लिए have, and now for continuous eating, আর এই দুটোর বন্ধুত্ব করানোর জন্য been, তাই তো? So I have been eating an apple. Right? Why did we do that? Present perfect continuous, perfect এর জন্য have, ing হচ্ছে continuous এর জন্য, আর এই দুটোকে বন্ধুত্ব করানোর জন্য been. I have been eating an apple. Okay? So now let's go to future tense. Simple future. I know how to do, write the verb. Because in verb forms, look at this. There is present, there is past, there is past participle, but there is no future. That is why we are going to use for future. To depict future, we are going to use will. We must use either will or shall. According to your subject, आपको choose करना है कि will use होगा या shall. I will eat. Will use the present form of the verb. I will eat an apple. This is simple or indefinite form. Future continuous. I, future के लिए will. Now we know that for continuous we have to use a be verb. Here the basic be verb will be in future be. Always in future tense the be verb will be be. I will be continuous, so eating. I will be eating an apple. Okay, so for future will and be verb extra plus ing, so future continuous. I will be eating an apple. Future perfect. I, future के लिए will. Perfect. For perfect, what do we have to put? কি বসাতে হবে? আমাদের সব সময় perfect কি বসাতে হয়? আগেও আমরা দেখেছি have. Past আমরা দেখেছি had. So here it will be have always in future. I will have, and the verb will be in past participle eaten. I will have eaten an apple. Okay, I will have eaten an apple. That will be the future perfect. Will for future, have for perfect, eaten past participle for perfect. You have to use that. Now I know many of you can answer what the future perfect continuous will be. Let's see. Yes, I, and then for future will. Okay, for perfect have. For continuous tense eating. for making friendship between the two or the bond? Been. I will have been eating an apple. How did we make it? Once again, will for future, have for perfect, ing for continuous, and to bond these two, been. I will have been eating an apple. So students, that is how you do past, present and future, all the 4 kinds of tenses. I hope you learned it. Any questions, just get back to me. Okay, ta-ta.